$19.99 Polaris Sportsman 335. It has never run since I've owned it, and I've taken it apart, replaced a broken valve guide, and put it back together, and I'm ready for first start. So here goes. I don't have the gas tank attached, so I'm going to be using starting fluid to try to get it popped. Turn the ignition on. Press the start button. Okay, it sounds like it wants to start, so I'm going to go ahead and get the gas tank hooked up and feed it some real gas. It doesn't seem to like too much starting fluid. It's not carbureting well. So I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, I've got the gas tank installed. I've got the wiring all set up to be able to crank. Put some gas in here, not very much, but just enough hopefully to crank it. I have not primed it or anything. I'm going to let the starter prime it. There's a fuel pump over here that should push gas into the carburetor, and we'll see what happens. I'll turn the key on. You see I've got this light showing that the key's on, and then this green button is the start button. Here we go. I'm going to give it a little bit of starting fluid just for fun. Okay, there's a fuel switch over here. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be switched. So it was level. That may be off. I don't know. So I've turned it down. There's a reserve tank and there's a reserve and there's the regular tank. So I'm facing the fuel switch down to see if that's what it needs. Okay, it sounds like it's wanting to start. I'm not sure which tank that was. I'm going to switch it to the other tank. Let the starter cool off just a tad. The starter's working really hard. All right, sounds great without the muffler attached.